This is a message from God that you soon will be celebrating, my friend. So practice gratitude because everything you want is on its way to you. Your prayers have been answered. You do not have to worry about how you're going to do this or how this is going to happen, how you're going to afford this. All you need to focus on is this very moment, and that God is with you right now, that he will make the way for you going forward. So you don't need to worry about anything. You don't need to worry about the money. You don't need to worry about the how or the when. You simply just need to have faith and willing to take action on that faith, because faith without works is dead. So your job is to believe in the future, to believe in yourself, and most importantly, to believe in God and what he's capable of doing for you when you allow him into your life, when you allow him to move through you, and you take action based off of what orders he is giving you, essentially. That sense of inspiration, that idea, that question you have. These are all things God puts in your mind as breadcrumbs to get you to get closer to him, so that you can become more and more and more aware of his presence in your life. As long as you have a seed of faith, God will do the rest. He will grow it for you. So I hope you feel encouraged by this. I hope that you take this as a sign of God's presence in your life, because I am merely a conduit for his love. And I just want to express that to you through these videos, through the work that I do, and how I myself live by example and am a testimony of God's presence because of my faith and my obedience and my discipline. So I hope that you could see the way God is presenting himself to you through me and through others, through the signs and synchronicities in your life, through the whispers and the echoes, and how life moves so naturally and so perfectly. And that is the only truth that we know. Everything else is temporary. So praise God and believe in him fully, because he is around you. He is within you. He is within all of us. If this was helpful or resonated, hit that like button. If you want to grow your relationship with God, then join my online sanctuary, the Temple Within. It is linked down below. It is an online safe space that I'm relaunching in early September, where you get to grow closer to God outside of religious dogma and theology. So if that interests you, it is linked down below. Otherwise, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.